The trading today was not that perfect. The market just decided to stall, and we were down in the automation $1,400, and we took this trade, and I just is put the target a little bit higher so we can at least get break even for this day. And the ES is trying to crawl to the upside, so very slow, and we're gonna wait and see what's gonna be for this trade, and hopefully at least break even for today, or if the market decides to run later on, we can make good trades. Okay, so we'll wait a little bit. Okay guys, so the market is just crawling very slowly to the high side, so we already break even for the day but no profit, so maybe we can get higher from here and get at least 1000, but we're gonna wait a little bit, so let's see what happens. Horrible day to trade, guys. Horrible day to trade. This market just didn't do nothing. False breakouts everywhere. Okay guys, so we're gonna pause a little bit the video and see what happens. Okay guys, several hours later, the market is starting to move on. Let's see if we can get the target here. We've been hanging to this trade a long time ago, since 10 a.m. over 1 hour. Still not hitting the target, but I think it will. It just made a big push. The Nasdaq is pointing higher. Yep, the Nasdaq is going higher. So today is Veterans Day. I think the market needs to close a little bit higher. It needs to close green. So that can be a factor for the market to go higher, at least crawling. Okay guys, I will exit here.
Target filled.
We are 250 up for the day. I will be off trading for the day. It's there's no trading for me today anymore. Okay, just watching the markets and studying a little bit. Okay guys, thanks for watching.